And in today's video, I want to show you how these guys are making $1,200 plus per day on average, and how you can get results from this and make money like this as well. Now, the best part is these people are not recording their own voices. They're not recording their own faces or anything like that. People don't even need to know who you are with this. And you don't even need to be a part of the YouTube partner program to be monetized and make money with this. And you can still have less than 1,000 subscribers and still be monetized and earn from this from day one. So you can have 0 subscribers, 0 views, and 0 followers, and you can still make money from this. And this is a very unique niche that can make you a lot of money short term and long term from this. Hi there, my name is Jay and I run 4 different 4 to 5 figure drop servicing agencies. My top drop servicing store made over $228,000 in 2020 alone. This is a concept that I do full time off of YouTube, very similar to that of drop shipping, but instead of drop shipping physical goods and products, I am now drop shipping rare high income skills. So the profits, the margins, the markup is way more than that of drop shipping, and it pays out way faster. So if you would like a 25-minute free training on my 6-figure bootcamp where I mentor and teach people in my 58 video course on how to master drop servicing, basically like having me next to you throughout the entire process on how I build my drop servicing stores, you're welcome to click down below in the first link in the description to take a look at that 25-minute training. You'll see me on that page, and also on my YouTube channel over here I'm uploading daily videos and free courses on other ways I make money online, such as affiliate marketing, content creation, brands, building content, all sorts of online business models that you can learn completely for free on my channel. So if you want to become an online entrepreneur, work from home, reach some goals, make money online from home, then definitely go down below and subscribe to this channel with the bell on so that I can send you a personal message every time I do so. And if you guys want daily money giveaways and daily course giveaways, make sure to come over to my second channel over here. I will also leave the link in the description. Each and every video I'm giving something away, whether it's money, whether it's a free course, free resources to get you started with making money online. I'm doing tons of giveaways on this channel, so make sure to come over to this channel as well, Millionaire Mindset Plus, and subscribe with the bell on. Alright guys, so we're now over here on YouTube, which is the platform that obviously we're going to be talking about to make money with this awesome weird niche and trick. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to come over to YouTube and you want to type in fitness music, and you want to open up all of these channels that are making these like hour compilation music fitness videos with captivating thumbnails and a captivating title. You can see over here, all you do is you right click, open link on new tab, right click on these guys, open it in a new tab, and have a look at these guys as well. And the thing is, why I'm showing you these guys is because I just want to show you how they're making money from this, not only through views. You can make money from this without views. You don't need your face on camera, you don't need to even speak into the mic. No one needs to know who you are. And these type of fitness channels are actually making a lot of money, not only through the YouTube partner program. The majority of the income, or the most of the income, actually comes from a completely different source. So I want to show you, for example, one of these videos over here. Let's go this one here, the best workout mix 2020. What a lot of people do is they have these like stock videos, or what they have is they have like this 1 hour long image and they just have music playing over that. So here's another example of a video. You can see if I click play, this video is just a single image throughout, so it's very easy to edit. You just have an image with all 30 minutes of these compilations of music fitness videos going. And what I find quite crazy about this, if I scroll down below to the description of this video, over here they're only promoting their Facebook, some Google form or Google link, and then a link to their music playlist on Spotify. So they're growing their Spotify account. But this channel is actually missing out on a ton. When I say a ton of money. There's no affiliate links, there's no links to any merch or anything like that. There's no links to any ways that they can monetize their channel, and they are really missing out. And I really hope maybe this channel sees this video because they can learn from this I'm teaching you right now. I just want to show you an idea of what they're earning just from ad revenue. So if I come over to a tool called socialblade.com, which is an analyzing tool where I can have a look at what different channels are earning per month, per year, and even every single day. So this specific channel over here called Workout Music Service, which is this one over here, Workout Music Service, is earning about $28,000 per month. On a daily basis, anywhere between $262 and $929 per month. That's just ad revenue. And the thing is, this channel doesn't know this, but I'm going to show you how they can at least double or triple this with the monetization strategy that I'm going to show you right now. So you don't need the YouTube partner program. You don't need to have 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours. You can have 1 subscriber, 1 viewer, and still make money from this. But the first thing I obviously need to do is I need to show you how to get the music and how to get a little picture like this to obviously put your videos together, because it doesn't help starting a channel and you don't know how to do that. So what you need to do is you need to come over to Google and just type in YouTube audio library. And while this is busy loading, come over to another website called pixels.com. And on pixels.com, you want to search fitness. Anything that's got to do with fitness, maybe like fitness and health, fitness girl, something like this could work. So all you want to do is you just want to save this, and you can use this as a thumbnail and your picture where all the music is going to play over. So just click on free download over here. You'll see it will download to your PC. The best thing about these images is that they are stock photos. They're completely free to use without any copyright issues. So you don't have to worry about copyright strikes or anything like that. You are allowed to go and use any of these pictures on pixels.com. And then back on the YouTube audio library, you can see here's a ton of copyright free songs that you can go and use on your channel completely for free. You're allowed to. YouTube gives these songs to you for you to use for your videos. So over here, you want to click on these little 3 lines over here that drops down this little menu bar. You can change up the songs by genre, so you can go and choose like dance and electric, which is like for gym. You can do like a rock kind of theme video. You can also go do different moods, so you can go, for example, inspirational, funky, dramatic, maybe angry, like rock songs or something like that for some people that like that kind of style music for gym. So you can filter, for example, any of these. Let's just go genre and let's go dance and electric. And over here, what you can go and do is let's just click on apply. Now over here, what you can go and do is you can go and download all of these 2, 3, 5-minute songs and add them up to like a 30-minute compilation, or you can go and use a free tool called Openshot.org over here. So this is a free video editing software where you can click on download over here. You'll see if I scroll down, here's a picture here. All you do is you drag the picture onto a track, and then you just drag all the songs. You extend the picture to 30 minutes while all the songs play after one another, and then you save that as a video, and there you go. That's how you have a 30 minutes compilation video of like the best gym songs that people can go and watch and download on YouTube. And just to show you what I mean, I've opened up here my Sony Vegas 17 program, which is basically the same as Openshot.org. It's just a paid tool that I use with pretty much extra film editing features that you don't need. So Openshot is a free tool that I just showed you that you can use. So I'm quickly going to load a picture that I downloaded and some of the songs that I downloaded just to show you how this works. So all you do is you drag and drop all these songs into your video editing program. You just drag them one after the other like this, and all you do is you extend this image all the way to the end of all these songs. You can see already these are nearly 8 minutes. So all you do is if I click on play, you can see if I skip through, it's kind of just like a compilation image of all these songs playing. Now all you do is you select all of them, you click on file, and you click on save, and that's the video that you're going to go and upload to YouTube. And all you want to do is from there is you want to come over to these other big channels, go filter by the most popular videos, and you want to replicate these titles, not copy and paste, but make a similar title, use similar tags, similar description, because these videos have already proven to go viral, and you want to kind of piggyback that and replicate that virality. So now once your video is on YouTube like this, I quickly want to show you a tool called ecwid.com. So this is a tool that will allow you to basically sell products on an online store, just like the store over here. So take a look at this. These people designed this fitness, very good looking store with Shopify.com. So over here, you can see they're selling these like pants, they're selling these men's merch over here as well. And all you can do is you can go and sign up for the Shopify free 14-day trial. I'm not an affiliate or anything for this website. You can come straight to their website at Shopify.com, sign up for the 14-day trial. And you can import done for you fitness themes like this. And then all you're going to do is you're going to come over to a website called AliExpress.com over here. Click on AliExpress and you want to type in, for example, let's go dumbbells. Let's go look for dumbbells. And over here on AliExpress, you can use this tool called ECWID to automatically list these kind of products on your Shopify store over here. So that means when people place an order through your Shopify store, for example, that order is automatically transferred to these suppliers on AliExpress. You keep your markup and they do all the deliveries and all the hard work. So all you do is you go and list, for example, this dumbbell rack over here for, let's say, $29.99 on your store, and let's work out profits. So you make a sale for $29.99, and your expense over here is you got to pay $10.39. So you can make over $19 per sale, and the thing is, you're not doing any of the hard work. They doing all the deliveries, you just listing the same products on your Shopify store. It's all automated, and boom, you keeping $19 per sale. But now imagine you have a music video like this that gets 1 million views plus, or even just say 1,000 views, and you advertise these like dumbbells. You can also have like ropes and stuff like that, and gloves. It's kind of like a deal fitness pack on your Shopify store. You can advertise this in the link of your videos, and every time someone sees that, they're going to click get your fitness pack here for, let's say, $50. You're making $20, $30 a sale. People will see. Here's another good example. For example, they're selling like these kettles over here, this dumbbell bench, these crossover machines, a multi-gym function, and this is also a Shopify store that is drop shipping with AliExpress. So if I had to place an order, all their store does is transfer your order to AliExpress over here, and they're just keeping huge markups. So you don't need to order any stock, you don't need to buy any of these products yourself. It's all an automated man-in-the-middle system. So now that you've got a Shopify dropshipping store going in your music motivation videos that's getting views, getting a lot of traffic, now you're getting clicks on your store, and you've got a little bit of traction going and getting some sales, you can come over to a platform called clickbank.com, and we can go promote, for example, a fitness course as well. So not only are we making money now from our Shopify sales, we can also go and make money from an affiliate product and a Clickbank course or a fitness course where we make $50 to $100 there. So now we're opening up multiple streams of income. And the thing is, as time goes on, you're posting consistently different music videos, you also will then get monetized, and before you know it, boom, that's 3 streams of income: Shopify sales, a fitness course, and YouTube ad revenue. It's as easy as that. So let's click on login. I'm just going to log in with my account and show you the perfect fitness course. So all you want to do is you want to click on the marketplace button over here on your back end of your office. You want to scroll down and you want to click on health and fitness over here. You want to resort the results by gravity. These are products that are selling the best, getting the best results, and obviously because they're high quality products, they are working. So over here you can see, for example, you could go promote something such as the keto diet. So you can go promote an entire custom diet plan for people on your channel. So all you do is you click on promote over here, you click on generate hop links, and over here is your affiliate link. You can go and use a website called Bitly over here, and you just paste it over here. You click on shorten, you click on copy link over here, and in the description of your videos you can just type my best custom diet plan, paste the link. It will take people to the free keto training page. When they buy that, you get a commission of $44. Then you can have over here, get your ultimate gym fitness pack, which could include dumbbells, cones, bench bar, or anything like that you can go and find on AliExpress, list on your Shopify store that you've designed. For example, like this, like these people are promoting, for example, energy products. Here's the same store that I showed you over here. So you got like men's, but they do more merch, and then there's this store over here that actually sells physical equipment, which is quite awesome. So these are good examples over here of different stores that you can go and check out. The one is called giantmart.com, the other one is called vqfit.com, and the other one is called vitalproteins.com. All these stores have been made with Shopify, this tool over here, and these are ultimately the best 3 ways to monetize. And the thing is, you can get affiliate sales, you can get Shopify sales without the YouTube partner program. And I can promise you, if these guys used what I showed you now in their descriptions, they will be making 2 to 3 times more the amount of income they are already making on their channel. So the best part about this video that I've just showed you now, you can go and use this to your advantage now that you've kind of seen this awesome trick or secret to go and make money from this. But guys, right here on the screen, I'm going to leave a link to a video where I teach you how you can go and make a lot of money online with free unlimited ads traffic. It's an awesome website that I've found, or like a database where you can go and find over 70 free classified websites where you can go and promote affiliate offers all over the world, get clicks and sales every single day and commissions every single day, literally through free ads. You don't spend any money. It's basically offering people free trainings. They go into the training and boom, you make sales with that. So it's a really interesting video and trick that I made. So definitely go and click on this video over here, and I'll see you there.